Smart robot arms are playing an important role in the electronics assembly industry, helping to increase accuracy, optimize productivity, and reduce labor costs. Place components on circuit boards with extremely high precision. Increase production speed without affecting quality. Check product quality, applying machine vision to check defective products. Ensure absolute accuracy during the inspection process. Packaging and shipping of components. Arrange and package components automatically. Limit physical impacts that can damage the product.